I believe your name is pronounced Marium, right? Marium Khan. Anyways, if I'm mispronouncing it, I do apologize in advance. My name is Jaime Torres. I'm the guy who's taking over the other instructor, Valer. Anyways, so I'm looking at your assignment and I noticed that there's a lot of problems. First off, he looks squished, and then he's not in the center of the view. It's not in 000 world axis, right? It's actually floating around. So if I change this to 0, right? Oh, look at that, right? I think you might have moved the actual pivot point as well, which yeah, it's not necessarily right in the center anymore. And then the scale, we'll put it back to 1. So at least he's back to the right scale. But he's not in the center, and that's a problem, right? So we will have to figure that out. We have to, first off, freeze the transformation and reset. So that didn't work. So how do we do this? We could, well, that's right in the center, right? Although something doesn't look correct. Or maybe it's just me, but well, we'll find out in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and select everything, all the faces, and turn on grid snap, right? And then I'm gonna move this guy all the way to the bottom here. Why won't let me pick? Let's move it up then. And then move it to the center. Now I'm gonna go to the front view, and I'm gonna definitely use that to my advantage. So there's a problem because I think he's rotated, right? So that might cause a problem. So I'll find out right now. So now I think he's, whoops, I moved it by mistake. Move it closer. Yeah, so he's rotated, and that is a problem. Because the center line doesn't even line up anymore. Like, this line is crooked, right? So we have to rotate this guy. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll try, right? Top view. F to center. Right? Yeah, so he's crooked for sure. So if I do it once, yeah, this won't work. Unfortunately, to do this right, you probably have to do it from scratch again, right? Because you're gonna spend more time trying to salvage this than just doing it once more. So this guy should be more right here, right, in the center. And right now he's not because he's rotated and everything. There's a lot of history here that you left as well. Let me check and see if you have any kind of tweaking for cleaning up. It doesn't seem like it. Yeah, no, I don't think you have it. So, anyways, this guy obviously is not finished, right? You have to work on the skills a little bit more to bring up the speed a little, right? Because I know when you're modeling a character, you just want to make a character any way that you like, but it doesn't work that way, right? It has to follow a structure, so that way when it goes into the next department in a studio, everything's gonna fall into place and it's gonna work flawless, right? Is this guy ready for rigging? I don't think so. Like, I mean, look at this, right? So there's a lot of things with this guy right now that just don't work, and part of it was moving this all the way out to the scene, right? And also rotating. I don't know why he's rotated, but you get the idea, though, right? So, anyways, yeah, there's a lot of problems, and it's unfortunately, like, I wish it was a little bit more cleaner. This, for example, I don't understand what happened to this, right? There's triangles everywhere, and perhaps maybe angons in other spaces, right? So, if you like, I can give you another chance to make an attempt to create it again, right? I know it's kind of tight because your next assignment, from what I understand, it's not due till the end of the month, right? So if you can redo this project again and take your time, like, I mean, really think about what you're going to do before you do it, then that will help, right? If you need any help or you want to show me something beforehand, just find me in Microsoft Teams and we can take it from there, okay?